Just 350 million years after the Big Bang, the universe was an extremely young place. Galaxies were still forming, stars were just beginning to shine, and matter was slowly organizing into the cosmic structures we recognize today. It was during this critical epoch that something extraordinary may have been revealed by the James Webb Space Telescope. Astronomers using JWST may have discovered the universe's earliest and most distant known supermassive black hole, hidden within the heart of galaxy JWST. This galaxy is so distant that the light we see today has traveled for 13.4 billion years, taking us back to a time when the cosmos was less than 3% of its current age. The discovery is significant not just because of the sheer age of JWST, but because it challenges what we thought we knew about how black holes and galaxies form and grow together. In the modern universe, black holes and their host galaxies co-evolve over billions of years. But JWST appears to host a massive black hole while the universe was still in its infancy. How could such an enormous object form so quickly? Observations from JWST's Near-Infrared Spectrograph (NIRSPEC) and Mid-Infrared Instrument (MIRI) revealed the galaxy in unprecedented detail. These instruments can detect ultraviolet and optical light from distant sources, which, due to the expansion of the universe, is stretched into infrared wavelengths. This allows Webb to peer through vast amounts of dust and observe the earliest stages of galactic evolution. One of the most compelling pieces of evidence for a black hole in JWST comes from the detection of high ionization emission lines, especially the C4 lambda 1548 line produced by triply ionized carbon. Stripping 3 electrons from a carbon atom requires an intense radiation field, far beyond what ordinary stars can produce. Active galactic nuclei, AGN, powered by a feeding supermassive black hole, naturally generate this kind of high-energy radiation. The galaxy's light spectrum is complex, requiring careful modeling to distinguish contributions from stars and any central black hole. While visible light emission could be explained by normal star formation, the strength of the carbon emission line suggests a black hole is present and actively accreting matter. The discovery raises critical questions about how black holes form so early in cosmic history. There are 2 main hypotheses. First, light seeds could form from the remnants of the first stars and grow extraordinarily fast, feeding on surrounding gas at rates close to or exceeding theoretical limits. Second, heavy seeds may form directly from the collapse of massive gas clouds, giving them a head start in mass that allows them to reach supermassive scales within a few hundred million years. Either scenario challenges conventional theories about black hole growth. JWST is unusual in another way. It lacks some of the traditional indicators of AGN activity. This could mean the galaxy's luminosity is powered primarily by stars, but only if those stars are exceptionally massive, hundreds or even thousands of times the mass of the Sun, or if star formation occurred in ways that differ from what we currently observe in nearby galaxies. Alternatively, the light from JWST could be a combination of both stars and a nascent black hole, making it a hybrid system unlike anything seen before. The implications of confirming this black hole are profound. If JWST does indeed host a supermassive black hole at such an early epoch, it provides a rare window into the universe's first billion years. It allows astronomers to study the formation of the earliest galaxies, the processes that enable black holes to grow, and the interplay between stars and supermassive black holes at a time when the universe was still taking shape. Future observations will be crucial to understanding JWST. Higher resolution spectra from JWST could clarify the galaxy's chemical composition, star formation rate, and the exact contribution of the central black hole. Observations in the far infrared, using facilities like ALMA, could detect gas and dust dynamics, revealing how matter flows into the black hole and shapes the galaxy's evolution. If confirmed, JWST would be the most distant known galaxy to host an actively feeding black hole, a cosmic laboratory for testing competing models of black hole formation. Detecting AGN activity at this extreme epoch offers insight into how the universe's earliest structures grew so rapidly. It challenges assumptions that supermassive black holes only emerge after galaxies have fully formed, and demonstrates that the universe was capable of forming enormous structures remarkably quickly. James Webb has done it again, extending humanity's reach deeper into the universe and closer to the cosmic dawn. Each photon collected from JWST is a glimpse of a time when the universe was still young, chaotic, and full of mysteries. It is a reminder that the first black holes formed not long after the first stars ignited, and that even in the earliest chapters of the cosmos, the seeds of the complex universe we see today were already taking root. JWST may be only one galaxy among billions, but it could hold the answers to some of the universe's oldest questions: how the first black holes formed, how they influenced the galaxies around them, and how the cosmos evolved from darkness into the brilliant tapestry of stars, galaxies, and black holes we observe today. As JWST continues to explore the distant universe, we can expect more revelations like JWST. Objects so ancient, so extreme, and so unlike anything nearby that they force us to rethink our understanding of cosmic history. This is not just a discovery of a galaxy or a black hole. It is a glimpse into the very origins of structure, light, and life in the universe. JWST gives us a glimpse of the universe's first black holes and the galaxies that hosted them. Every new discovery pushes the boundaries of what we know and reminds us how much remains hidden in the cosmos. With JWST, we are finally seeing the universe as it was in its earliest moments. And there's so much more waiting to be uncovered. The story of the cosmos has only just begun. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated on the latest space discoveries. Drop a comment below with your thoughts and share this video with anyone who loves exploring the universe.